You've already seen a bunch of videos out there talking about how amazing chia seeds are, but have you ever wondered how many of those are actually science-backed or verified? In this video, you'll get a research-based breakdown of what chia seeds really do, not just random internet claims. Welcome to Nutraze, your best friend for wellness, where everything we share is backed by doctors and reliable studies. Today, we're covering what's inside chia seeds, the daily effects you might start to notice, science-backed cautions you'll want to be careful about, and finally, a quick look at what the latest research says. First, let's start with a detailed analysis on what's inside chia seeds. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, about 12 grams, gives you roughly 60 calories, 5 grams of fiber, 2 grams of protein, about 4 grams of healthy fat, rich in omega-3s like ALA, plus minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. And why does these numbers matter? Fiber supports digestion and satiety. Protein helps maintain muscle and energy. ALA omega-3 is linked with heart and metabolic health. Calcium contributes to bone strength. And here's what makes them unique. They can absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like texture. Now that you've started eating chia seeds daily, what are the changes you might notice? Number 1. Fullness and appetite control. Fiber plus water-absorbing gel may help you feel fuller for longer and support appetite control. Number 2. Digestion support. With 5 grams of fiber per tablespoon, chia can support regularity and gut health. But if you're not used to high-fiber foods, increase slowly. Number 3. Heart and metabolic health. The omega-3s in chia are linked to supporting cardiovascular health. A review in Nutrients Journal 2021 noted that chia seed consumption may help improve lipid profiles and reduce certain risk factors when part of a healthy diet. Number 4. Steadier energy. Because chia slows the digestion of carbs, pairing it with fruit or oats may support more stable energy release. Next, here are some science-backed cautions you'll want to be careful about. Of course, chia isn't a magic bullet. Always hydrate them. Eating dry chia seeds without water can cause discomfort. Too much fiber too fast can cause bloating. And if you're on blood thinners or have low blood pressure, check with a clinician before adding chia daily. Now, we'll cover 3 science-backed ways to use chia seeds every day. First, chia water. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass of water. Wait 20 minutes. The seeds swell up into a refreshing, lemony energy gel if you squeeze in a slice of citrus. This is one of the easiest morning rituals. Next, smoothie booster. Toss a spoonful into your blender with berries, banana, and yogurt. The chia thickens it into a creamy, filling shake that keeps you full till lunch. And lastly, a treat that feels like dessert, overnight chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk, a touch of cinnamon, and let it sit overnight. By morning, you have a pudding-like bowl. Top it with fruit and a drizzle of honey, and it's Instagram-worthy. Here are some bonus tips. Pairing chia with protein or healthy fat, like nuts or Greek yogurt, gives you steadier energy, not just a quick spike. So whether it's a drink, a smoothie, or a pudding, 1 spoon a day can slip into your routine, and your body may thank you for it. Now that we are reaching the end of this video, we want to share that we've done our own research into chia seeds. Here are the 2 research studies that backs up everything we've shared. According to Harvard's nutrition source, chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, both of which play an important role in supporting heart health and digestion. A recent Verywell Health article on a 2025 study shows that daily chia consumption may reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure by about 6 to 7 millimeters of mercury. Thanks to their fiber, omega-3s, protein, and even bioactive peptides that help regulate blood pressure. Before we wrap up, here's a quick summary of what really happens if you eat chia seeds every day. You may notice better satiety, smoother digestion, and heart-supporting nutrients, all from a spoonful of tiny seeds. But remember, chia seeds support wellness. They don't replace healthy sleep, movement, or a balanced diet. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Nutraze for more science-backed wellness tips, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Comment day 1 below if you're starting today, and keep checking in. Let's turn this into a 30-day challenge together.